Hello and welcome to Super Profit Club. My name is Sumit Gupta and I am the founder of Super Profit Club. I've been trading in the stock market for more than 15 years. I'm a swing trading coach and author, and I really love analyzing stocks, helping people, and teach them how they can be profitable as well, how they can stop losing money in the stock market, and how they can earn consistent profits. So the objective of these videos, which are brought to you by Super Profit Club, is to teach you and share with you the information and knowledge and learning that you can learn and implement in your own trading so that you can be more profitable, right? That's the objective. And if you're absolutely new, then you can learn this and apply to become a trader. Okay. So if you like this video, just click the like button, subscribe and share with your family, friends and acquaintances. And in case you have any comments or any information that you want to share with us, please do so in the comment box below. Okay. Now, many times, whenever I meet traders or the new people who are coming in, and some people who have been already trading but losing money in the stock market, or who have burnt their hands in the stock market, they ask me, can swing trading be really profitable? Or, some people who are making small profits, then they ask me how profitable can be swing trading? And that's a valid question. How profitable can the swing trading be? And my answer to whatever way they ask the question, whatever question whosoever asks, it is always the same. Okay, it is always the same. And what is the answer that I give them? The answer is very clear. How much do you want it to be? It can be as profitable as you want it to be. Okay, it's up to you. It's up to you. It can be as profitable as you want to be, and I've repeated that again and again and again, and I mean it. Okay. Yes, the way it can happen is because you have to follow a system. You have to you can't go on your gut feel. You can't go on your instinct. You have to follow a system, because systems work, people fail. Okay, and I've proven it to myself, and for 11 years the system is working great for me. And you have to have a system. Okay, and you have to be very clear in terms of why you're doing this. Okay, so and then you can earn whatever profits that you want to be. Okay, so let me give you the way you can earn money, and how you can earn profits, and how much profits can you earn. Let me give you an idea through this video, and then you can decide for yourself whether it makes sense or not, whether it is you would want to get into this or not. That's up to you. Okay, so see, the way you can trade in you can deal in the stock market is that there are three ways. One is you can get into investing. Okay, now investing is a very different ball game. For that, you do not these are lessons are not meant for investing. So in investing, your returns could be anywhere between 12 to 14%. If you are good investor, maybe 18-19%. So that is annually you can get that kind of things, right? So you have to do the fundamental analysis, read a lot of balance sheets, profit and loss, understand financial statements, or simply rely on an investment advisor. Simple. Okay, or a mutual fund or whatever, right? So that's investing, which is normally a long-term horizon. When we talk about trading is a very is a short-term thing. Okay, so it could be anywhere from hours, sometimes minutes. Okay, but let me take that hours, hours to days. Okay, now there are two types, two ways that you can trade in the stock market. One is the way most people trade is intraday trading, which you would have heard. Means you take a share, buy a share, take a trade, and you square it off in the same day. मतलब आपने सुबह खरीदा और दोपहर में या किसी भी टाइम बेच दिया, या आपने you bought it for certain profit, right? I'll get 10 paisa, 50 paisa, or 1 rupee, or whatever, XYZ, right? You got that and you close the order. Okay, this is how you basically do intraday trading. Now and swing trade, but I believe in swing trading. Okay, and I do swing trading. Now why do I do swing trading is because in swing trading, how is it different from intraday? In intraday, you will have to close your order the same day. Okay, that is why it's intraday. Within the day, you have to close it. But in swing trading, you take a position. Now that position can be squared off in the same day. That's not necessary, but it may happen. Okay, or it can be going on for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, or maybe a month maximum. Right. So normally my horizon in swing trading is anywhere from hours to approximately 7-8 days. Okay, 7-8 trading days normally. Now, obviously, there are trades, which in hours can give you a lot of returns that I'm looking for. It, hits my target and I exit the position, or the target could be hit in whatever 7-8 days, right? Now, why do I prefer swing trading versus intraday trading? Let me very briefly tell you. See, in intraday trading, you have to be in front of the screen all the time. I consider it to be risky. Other people don't consider it risky, but it's their own perspective. And then there is very limited response time that you get, right? Within swing trading, I analyze end of the day market data. Okay, so I've got a lot of preparation time. I can do it over the weekend, and then I have got a proper trading plan before I get into the trade. Simple. Okay. So this is why I prefer swing trading. Okay. To me, it seems to be little less riskier because the risk is managed, right? Because I have the response time as compared to intraday. Okay. Because I do swing trading, that's why I recommend swing trading. Okay. Now, typically what I've seen is on an average a swing. Okay. And if you want to know what a swing is, just see one of my videos, on this channel, wherein I've covered about, the history repeats, right? So you would know what a swing is. Okay. So swing could be somewhere between 6 to 8%. Okay. And typically it could be 1%, it could be 15% also, it could be 20% as well, right? But typically on an average, it is about 6 to 8%, and it takes about 5 to 7 trading days to reach there. Okay. These numbers which I'm talking about are average. Okay. Are average. Okay. So as I said, it could sometimes even take a month, but typically, if I were to give you a formula, okay, just in my mind, and disclaimer, this is not a guaranteed formula. This is just my experience and a very broad term that I'm saying. It could be, around 1% per trading day is something which you can safely assume. Okay. It could be more, it could be less, but that's the kind of number you can look at. Okay. Because I'm saying 6 to 8% and 5 to 7 trading days. So it's around that, right? Now this happens within those time. My target is to take at least 75% of that swing, roughly. Okay. No, not at least, it's 60% to 75% of that swing is what I want to take out of that particular trade. So if it is a 6%, or let's say it's an 8% kind of swing, so I would want to take 6%, 5 to 6% out of that swing. Okay. This is not 5 to 6% of that stock value, obviously, which is roughly 60 to 70%, 75% of that trade. That is what I want to take. Now let's put this to calculations, right? And which will answer your question, how profitable can swing trading be? Okay, it will answer your question. Now, let's say, typically I tell my traders, a student in community, students in my community, when I tell them you can earn about 15% month on month after you have learned the system, and, if you follow the system. Okay. Because, if you don't follow the system, then there's nothing that we can do. As I said, systems work, people fail. Okay. So 15% you can earn. And how do you earn 15% is, let me put it this way. So let's say if you were to take just one trade a week, okay, and you take 4 trades in a month, and typically, let's say one swing is of about 6%, right? So if you're getting 5% out of that swing, right? So that means you will be able to get about, whatever money that you're putting in, you'll be able to get about, 5% in each, let's assume that, right? 5% of that stock value in each of the trades. Okay. Now, if your 3 trades are profitable and 1 trade is losing, so 6%, 6% is 18%, and you lose about 6% in 1 trade, so you still make about 12%, right? And then I obviously give you reward and risk ratios in my other videos, which you can look at. And if you operate within that, that means your risk, if your reward, probable reward is going to be 5 or 6%, your risk is only going to be 1.5 to 2%. Okay. You listen to other videos, where I give you the reward to risk ratio. Okay. So what happens is if you earn, right, if it is a profitable trade, you will make about 5%. But if you lose, you will lose about 1.5%, right? So if 3 winning trades are there, you make about 15%, and in 1 losing trade, you lose about 1.5%. So you make 13.5%. If you took 5 trades and you made 20% in 4 winning trades and 1 was losing, you make about 18.5%. So that is how this percentage works. Okay. Now, when it works about 15%, when we are talking about 15% per month is a great return. I come from a finance background. I worked as a CFO in multinational companies and large organizations as well, right? I know 15% is a lot of money. Okay, in a month, it's a very, very, very good return, and it can be earned on a consistent basis. A lot of people have proven it to themselves. Okay, now if you want to know how big can 15% be, go and watch my video on the the power of compounding. Okay, just watch that video on power of compounding, and you would know how much money then you can be earning. This is titled How to Create Wealth Trading in Stocks, and watch that video to know how much money can you really earn from the swing trading. Now, if you like this video, just press like button and subscribe and share, and keep coming back for more lessons and more videos like this to keep learning and limiting your losses and earning consistent profits from the stock market. If you would like to learn more about swing trading, join me for one of my webinars, the link to which is given in the description below to this video. And in case you want to join one of my programs directly, paid programs, and want me to handhold you through your journey on this success to financial freedom, then join me, join one of my courses. Again, the link is given below in the description, and you can join me. I look forward to meet you or interact with you or have you at one of my webinars or in my community of like-minded traders, which is called Super Profit Club. Wishing you all the best and have a nice day.